Hey everyone, I'm so happy to see you on my channel again. And hi everyone again, I'm so thrilled to see you on this channel. And if you are new here, I am Dina and I'm into English. I'm actually a learner, so I still make mistakes and I'm not afraid of making mistakes because I don't focus on being perfect. Keep in mind that don't study hard, like don't focus on your English 2, 3, or 4 hours a day. Instead, focus on at least 15 minutes or 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. And that's enough for you to reach like significant progress in the future and significant results. And if you just beat yourself up, if you criticize, like I make a lot of mistakes, I make grammar mistakes, or I have pronunciation problems, no, don't think about it, because those are the fears that keeps you behind and doesn't let you go forward. Okay, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about letter C. Is it C or K? I know a lot of learners in the beginning, they get confused. Is it C or K? Actually, there are some rules and that we have to know. So, if there is I, E, and Y after letter C, it is pronounced like C. Yes, I, E, and Y. Let's read the words. C, city, city. Yes, this is city. Center or center. Center. We drop the T and center. Center. The next one is celebrity or celebrity. Flap T here, right? Celebrity. 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 And this one is circle. 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 Where in the circle? Make a circle. Make 2 circles. Okay, century. Century. 21st century. 21st century. 19th century. This one, after C, we can see the letter Y. Cycle or bicycle, right? Cycle. And the next one is recycle. 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 And the last word is cyclone. 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 So after C, we can see I, E, I, E, Y, and Y. One of my previous lessons, I mentioned that if the word ends to letter E, it is silent, right? It is not pronounced. So the last letter E is silent. Okay, it's time to take a look at the next row. So in this case, if there is A, O, and U, A, O, U. So those are all vowels, right? If there is A, O, U after letter C, it's pronounced like K. Okay. Carrier. Carrier. Careful. 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 This one, coast. 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 And this one, I really love this word. Yes, confidence. Speak English confidently or speak English with confidence. So, confidence. Confidence. This one, cupboard. 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 And the next one is cute. 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 What a cute baby. Or what a cute cat or kitten. Okay, this one, curiosity, curiosity, curiosity. And last but not least, courage, courage, courage. And in this case, after C, we can see letters A, O, and U. Remember, before those vowels, we pronounce the letter C as K. K. Okay, let's review all the words one more time. If there is I, E, Y, right? After C, it is pronounced like C. City, center, celebrity, circle, century, cycle, recycle, cyclone. Okay, now in this case, if there is A, O, and U after C, so it is pronounced like K. Carrier, careful, coast, confidence, cupboard, cute, curiosity, courage. Okay, so commit and don't quit. If you're committed to English, you're going to succeed one day. The bottom line is enjoy the process and keep learning and keep improving. Thanks for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And in this lesson, I'm going to talk about the words that start with letter G. Actually, I divided the words into two groups. So in this case, the first letter G is pronounced not like G, but as G. Sound is G here. So let's read it together. Galaxy, galaxy, galaxy. Garage or garage. So both options are correct. Garage, garage, or garage. Okay. Gather, 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 gather. Ghost. So in this case, the second letter, H, is silent. Ghost, ghost, ghost. Okay, the next one is glacier, glacier. It's not C here, glacier, glacier. Okay, next one, global, global, global. Goal, goal. And the last one is gorgeous, gorgeous. She's gorgeous means very beautiful or attractive, attractive, drop dead gorgeous. Okay. As you've noticed, the first letter in all words are pronounced like G. G. Now let's take a look at the second row. So in this case, the words also start with the letter G and is pronounced like J. J. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Gigantic. Yes, gigantic, gigantic. Next one, gesture, gesture, gesture. Hand gestures, facial gestures. Gesture. When we talk, we actually use our hand gestures and facial gestures. Okay, the next one is genius. 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 This one, genuine. 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 And this one is genre. 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 Yes. And when it comes to the next one, genetic. 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 Genetically. Last but not least, generosity. Generosity. It's a personality. Generosity. Okay, let's review all the words one more time. If you want to, you can repeat after me. So, galaxy, garage, garage, gather, ghost, glacier, global, goal, gorgeous, and next, giraffe, gigantic. Gigantic means very big, huge, enormous. Gesture, gesture. Genius, genuine, genuine. Genre, genre. Genetic, generosity, generosity. Yeah, actually, repetition is the mother of all skills. So by repeating the words or expressions, phrasal verbs, slangs, idioms, you're going to be good at English. That is the reason how I became better at English and how my pronunciation is getting better and better day by day. So try to exaggerate, try to stretch the vowels and try to exaggerate the words when you hear. Don't be shy and don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is rule number 1. If you're afraid of making mistakes, so you're not going to get better. And remember, forget about perfectionism. Nothing is perfect. So that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.